Let's play a game. It's called Guess That Note. I'm going to play some strings on my guitar. I'm going to give you a multiple choice. You play them on your guitar. See which one sounds most like the one I'm playing. Is this string 1 or string 6? Play out on your guitar. See if you can figure out which one it is. And the answer is this string 1 or 3? And the answer is this string 2 or 5? 2 or 5. Play 2 and 5 on your guitar. Tell me which one it is. And the answer is this string 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3? And the answer is this 4, 5, or 6? 4, 5, or 6? And the answer is... I hope that helps. If you want more awesome beginner guitar related content, chuck us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.